Hello, welcome you all to this video on photo protection during the summer months. As the summers is already upon us, it is very important that we know how to take care of your skin during this time to protect us from the harmful rays of the sun. I'm Dr. Akash Agarwal. I'm working as an assistant professor in the Department of Dermatology, IMS in some hospital, Bhubaneswar. And today I'll be telling you why photo protection is important and how, by simple measures, you can go about protecting your skin. So why photo protection is important? Because the sun releases something known as ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B rays, which can cause certain skin reactions such as a sunburn or flare up of patients who have eczemas, and even to some extent cause a cause in the long run skin cancers or photo aging. So that is why photo protection is very important. And I should again reiterate this point that not only that you should photo protect your sun during summers, you should do it throughout the year. So photo protection basically starts with using a sunscreen. So as far as the Indian context is concerned, because we have a type 4 and a type 5 skin, so using a sunscreen that is a broad spectrum sunscreen, which is having an SPF more than 30 or more, is enough for our skin type. You should go for sunscreens which suit your skin type, and that is a very personal choice. Especially patients who have eczema tendencies, they should prefer mineral based sunscreen uh, if they are having any side effects from the other sunscreens that are normally given. Children's again are also advised to use mineral sunscreen. Important to note with the use of sunscreen is that you should reapply them every 2 to 3 hours, and the first application must be before at least 15 to 30 minutes before you go out in the sun. How to combine your cosmetics with the use of sunscreen? So always remember that the sunscreen acts as a barrier from your sun rays, so it should be the last layer on your face. So that is very important. And how much of sunscreen you should take? Suppose you want to cover your face and your neck area. So the thumb rule is you take two fingertip units. So this much amount of sunscreen should be enough for your face and your neck. Patients who are prone to eczema or who go out a lot in the sun are advised to use lotion based sunscreen so that there is easy spreadability and you can apply it on the face, neck, and as well as on your hands. Coming to clothing, so what is advisable is that you wear full clothes and it should be light colored and it should be breathable. So that is very important. You should not get heat up and leading to eczematous reactions. I always tell my patients that during summers you should avoid as much as going out in the summers as possible, in the sun as possible. So 10 to 4 is a strict no. If you have to go out, be smart. Use an umbrella. Go out. You can use wide brimmed hats and stay in the shade as much as possible. It's a myth that sunscreens we cannot use for children. The FDA approves use of sunscreen in children as as small as 6 months of age. So you can actually use sunscreen, and the better option is to go for mineral sunscreen, the ones that contain zinc oxide and titanium oxide. As I again told in the beginning of the video that photo protection is to be done all the year round, and it is not only to be done during summers. So that is why these practical tips are very important. For more such videos, informative videos on skincare as well as common skin conditions, please do visit our Society for Eczema Studies website, wherein we take an effort to educate the patients who are suffering from eczemas about how to go about routine skincare so as to reduce the flare ups as well as have a healthier skin. Thank you.